Today we're going to install Windows 95 step by step, from a completely empty simulating of retro x86-based machine. I'll show you the full process including disk setup, formatting and the installation itself. So even if you've never installed an old operating system before, you'll be able to follow along. And before we start, if you enjoy retro systems, old software or experiments with vintage technology, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, if this video helps you, give it a like. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Alright, let's begin. Step 1. Preparing the emulation. So first we need an emulator for older computer. We're going to use 86box as a popular one. Windows 95 doesn't need powerful hardware, but it does expect components similar to a 90s PC. Now we're heading over to github.com to download 86box. Scroll down to the releases section, and we're looking for the latest version so we can get everything set up properly. Find a file that matches your operating system. Don't forget to download the ROM archive as well. After extracting all the files, make sure the system can detect the ROM files. Now we're ready to create our virtual machine. Choose socket 7, and we're going to use the Asus P/IP55TP4 motherboard. Select the S3 Vision 964 video adapter. We're going to use the ISA 16 Sound Blaster 32 PNP sound card. For the network card, we'll select the PCI AMD PCNet PCI 2. Select a standard large hard disk drive. Now we're ready to run our virtual machine. Don't forget to attach a boot floppy disk image. And make sure to attach your Windows 95 CD image as well. When the computer starts, it should boot from the floppy disk. This floppy contains DOS tools and CD-ROM drivers we need for installation. Type fdisk and press enter. This utility lets us divide the disk into partitions that DOS and Windows can use. Choose to create a primary DOS partition, and when it asks if you want to use the maximum available size, select yes. Then set the partition as active. After restarting, press the del key to enter the BIOS setup, then change the boot sequence so the system starts from the floppy and CD. Formatting the drive. After rebooting, the system will again load from the floppy. Now we type Format C and press enter. This prepares the disk for files and removes any previous data. When it finishes, you can give the disk a label if you want, or just press enter to skip. Next we switch to the CD-ROM drive. Type our /setup. This launches the Windows 95 installer. Then the graphical setup program will open. From this point, the installation becomes much more user-friendly. Accept the license agreement. The installer will ask where you want Windows to be installed. The default folder is perfectly fine, so we can leave it as is. Next, choose a typical installation. This installs the most common components and is the best option for beginners. Now the installer may ask for your product key. Enter it if required and continue. Windows will now begin copying files to the hard drive. It will also try to detect hardware like video card, sound card, and mouse. This process can take several minutes depending on the speed of your system. During installation, the computer may restart a few times. This is completely normal. Just let it continue. This part can take a little while, so just be patient. Finalizing installation. Windows now finishes configuring devices, sets up the registry, and prepares the desktop. After the last restart, you should see the Windows 95 logo, and then the desktop. But don't forget to set your BIOS startup settings back. look at Windows 95. And there it is. The classic Windows 95 desktop with the Start button, taskbar, and iconic layout. From here you can install drivers, adjust display settings, or install old software and games in future videos. We can try connecting this system to the internet, installing old browsers, or running classic programs. Alright everyone, that's how you install Windows 95 from scratch step by step. If this guide helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more retro tech videos, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
You don't even have to try. It comes easy for you. The way you move is so appealing. Good times, give me some of that. Give me some of that. Good times, baby.